Test your knowledge with colours in Arabic. Quiz 2.
Question 1. Which of these is wardi? Is it pink or is it orange? Answer, pink. That's correct. Amazing work. Keep it up. Question 2. Which of these is banafsajin? Is it red or is it purple? Purple. Perfect. You're doing great. Question 3. Which of these is portokaling? Is it orange or pink? Answer, orange. Fantastic. You got it right. Keep going strong. Question 4. Which of these is ramadiyun? Is it grey or is it red? Grey. Yes, that's correct. Great job. Which of these is ahmar? Is it purple or is it red? Red. Spot on. You've nailed it. Fantastic work.
Thanks for watching. Watch for Arabic videos by qualified teachers. Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep learning.